Today, I'm going to show you how we can use slicers in Excel. To demonstrate this, I have a table in Excel which has regions, countries, sales, and year. As you can see, it's all mixed up. There are different regions, different countries, different years in this data set. So what the slicers will do, they'll filter out a given information that we want to see. For example, we can draw a chart based on this data. And when we use the slicers, we can dynamically filter out or draw a chart for what we want to see. To demonstrate this, let's get started. To start off, you need to convert your data into a table. And there are two ways of doing it. The shortcut is Ctrl+T, or you go under Insert and click on Table. As you can see here, we have Ctrl+T. After you have done that, then let's use the slicers. So we go under Insert, right here, Slicers, click on the slicers. So which slicer do you want to use? Let's start off with the region. And here, say OK. We have these two dialogues showing up. Let's organize them here, there, there, like so. So with these slicers, what I select on this slicer is what will be shown on this table. If I select Africa, you can see only Africa information is shown here. If I select America, select Asia. So dynamically, we can reflect what we want to see on the table by what we select here. To bring in another variable of years, I can press Asia, then 2018. That's what shows, or Europe and 2020, all that as you want. You can further improve this and bring in a chart so that what you select in the slicers will be reflected on the chart. To do that, let's go to Insert. Now, before I do that, if you want, let me first remove the filters. Then I want to draw a chart of country and sales. So I select country and sales. Now go under Insert, and let's draw a bar graph here. Let's move it up a bit. So currently, I'm not selecting everything, and all the information is reflected on my chart. So let's select Europe. If you select Europe, the chart only shows Europe and the years. If I select 1 year, now this is Europe for 1 year. If I select America, you can see this is America. If I select Africa and I select a year, it shows. So dynamically, whatever is selected on the slicers is being shown on the table and on the graph. This way, we can use slicers to derive meaning from an original table which has mixed up information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit the notification button, and watch again.